Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I got really bored and I guess everyone pretty much is very bored at the moment. I thought of playing with colors and hence came up with this fun neon eye look. It's the sunset look. It's pretty basic and it is very easy to create. I have perfectly prepped my skin with a moisturizer and a primer, and I'm going to skip foundation in this look today, and I'm directly going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand, just using it under my eyes, my T-zone, and wherever I have blemishes, and blending it all out. Set my concealer using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It's literally one of the best powders ever. It's so fine and everything sets like a dream. Like, it literally blurs out your skin, so I really love this. Bose by ColourPop. I'm in the shade Soft Black. Now I love this eyebrow pencil. It's very fine tipped, so you can literally draw those tiny hairs and everything, but you will go through them like there is no tomorrow. I am on my 8th pencil. I am using Huda Beauty Tantour to contour my face today. And I would have to say that if you haven't tried this, you guys need to get your hands on it, because this cream contour blends like a dream. It's like a souffle on your skin. Everything blends so well and so quick. Literally 2 minutes into contouring your face and you will shed 2 pounds off your face right away. Contouring with my Too Faced Chocolate Longwear Matte Bronzer Powder. Now you'll be confused when you get your hands on this, whether to put it on your face or to just like sniff it all day long. It literally smells like yummy chocolate. For blush today, I'm using the Color Bar Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This is apparently their best-selling blush, and Malvika Sitlani, I'm sure whoever you are who's watching this video know who she is. She raves about this, which is why I also picked it, and it is really good, and it's perfect for every single skin tone. Now I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder to just clean my cheek, well, my bronzer or my contour. Now finally the eyes. For today's look, I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette. This palette has no shade names. Actually, it came with the shade card. I lost it, and hence I'll tell you the 4 shades basically that I used to create this easy sunset eye tutorial. First, I'm going to dip my brush into the yellow from the palette and just use it all over my lid. Blend it out nicely, and it's just going above your crease line, everything, just all over. And then I'm gonna take the pink and start using that from my lash line to my crease. I'm not gonna go above my crease, and just gonna pack the color properly. I love how pigmented this palette is, so you can easily pack the color and stay within your crease. So basically, the entire eyelid will have the pink, and now I am using the orange from the palette and using it all over my pink. Now I'm not going close to my lash line, I'm just using it on top of my, I don't know, the transition between the yellow and the pink. So the orange will be all there, and you can still see a little bit of the pink, but mostly I have blended the orange into the yellow and the pink. For my bottom lash, I have gotten into the blue from the palette, which is the sea blue or light blue, I don't know, and just smoking out my lower lash line using just one single shade. For my inner corners, I'm using the Icy Blue, which is a shimmer or a foiled eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go into my inner corners and yeah, just give that pop, and pretty much it. Now I'm just going to dust off all the Fit Me Maybelline loose powder that I had on my cheekbones because I am done baking. For mascara, I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't show you applying the mascara because I wanted to keep this video short. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC Skin Finish Dimension. And oh my god, look at the highlight. I'm glowing. I love this. It's not out there, it's not super gold, it's not super silver, it's right in that middle shade, so I love the color, and I'm just basically highlighting all the high points of my face. For a lipstick, I'm using the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint, and it's in the shade 250 High-End Coral, that's the color. And it's a lip tint. I wanted to keep my lips pretty corally, but without a lot of color. So just a wash of orange to complement the eyes. And that's it. That's your complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!